Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I am a independent Stampin' App demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make these lovely cards that open like this. The space for you to write something in there using the hand Penned Petals stamp set and the matching pen flower dies. So let's get started. We'll start with a card base that measures 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. It's just a small piece here. Then a piece of DSP that measures 3 1/2 by 7 1/2, and it's scored at 2 3/4. It's right here. I already scored it, and I found my bone folder there. And the first thing we're going to do is adhere this to the card base. So a little adhesive there in the corners. So it's a little fun fold there. And then a piece of basic white that measures 2 1/2 by 3 1/4, and that fits right there. So a little bit more adhesive to get that adhered here. And I already pre-cut the flower, so it looks like this. The actual die, and then the outline. I think that's really pretty and intricate, don't you? I'm going to put some glue. Just be really careful. Whoops. A little watery there. Let me get that. I'm going to try another glue instead. Not sure why that got watery. Let me see if this one will work. There you go. So just a few dots randomly on some spots, so it won't pucker up. It'll lay flat and should be good to go. And it matches perfectly onto the outline. Got a little wiggle room there. Alright. Then I'm going to let that dry. You need a 1-inch wide scrap for the banner, and I used the Pick-a-Punch here to be able to skinch it all the way down. Get that lovely banner cut. Oh, that looks a little crooked. Should I try it again? Let me see. I think I may have put it in crooked. That's better. Let me cut this other end off. There we go. And then I'm going to get the thanks, my pale papaya. Stamp it right there. And this can go, trying to gauge where it will go there so I can put the flowers on top. So about a strip right there. Put the adhesive, line that back up the way I had it. Put a little more adhesive behind the outline for the flower to keep that down. And that is it, folks. Pretty simple card. And with the different designs and papers. This paper is retired, but you're welcome to use any other coordinating matching paper there is. So thanks for watching my video. Feel free to like, comment, and share, and I would appreciate your support. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Have a great day. Bye.